Hi guys, this is Hackett. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to wipe code a very straightforward iOS app using Codex and ChatGPT together. It's going to be a very basic app. I'm just going to show you guys how Codex actually works and how you can use it with Swift UI and Xcode to generate an app where you actually don't have to write any code at all. The process is very straightforward. This is how I do it. I would also recommend you do it the same way. It's much easier this way because I use ChatGPT alongside with Codex. So I start with ChatGPT to get an idea. So let's say I want to make a password strength check-in app for iOS and Swift UI. I will be using Codex for this. Please generate me some UI images for this and additional instructions for Codex. This app has to be very straightforward and easy to make. So this is just a very generic prompt you can use. The more context you give AI, the better it will be. And now it's going to generate some stuff for us. And meanwhile, I'm going to open up Codex here, and I'm going to start a new project. Start from scratch. Let's rename this password strength check. While this still generates. Okay, I think it just generated as a picture. What is this? I'm using Swift UI. Okay, this is insane. This is the first time ChatGPT's done this, but I actually like it. See, it's got all the instructions in here. Let's see if Codex is able to take this as an example and generate it. Hi, Codex. I would like to make an iOS app using Swift UI. Please use the instructions provided in the screenshots below. So apparently there's a new model 5.5. I'm going to change it to high because I don't want to run out of limits. That's a big problem. I have the $20 subscription with it. So this for sure is going to run out if I use extra high. Since the app is very straightforward and simple, I'm just going to do this. And then let's paste the image in there. And then you can also use Git with it, but I'm just going to keep it very straightforward. Just a folder that's going to have our app, and we'll have Xcode use it and run it and see how it goes. So let's enter. Now Codex is pretty good. I've had already made an app using it. It's sort of a iOS game, flip path, and I was able to go from 0 to 100 for a full deployment to App Store itself too, using just Codex. I don't have any previous experience in app development at all. Everything is done through Codex, so I was actually surprised that it's able to do this. I know Claude is better, but Claude has a lot of limitations, and the limits on it are insane. You cannot do anything on Claude. With Xcode, at least you get better limits, and it's not as bad. It does the job the way it's supposed to. Now, this is going to take a minute. It's going to do its thing. And give it full access. Okay, so we made some progress. Let's check if we got any files in here. Okay, we got files in here too. Now it's going to start generating code. It's going to go through the list, add tips, tabs, and polish. It's going to polish it and build and validate. So I'm guessing it's not going to be able to get it done in the first try. I mean, we might be able to launch the app, but it's not going to look amazing at first. And then you'd have to guide the AI to polish it, make it look even better. Uh, but it depends on what you want. And Apple is not just going to accept any app that you put on the App Store. You have to make sure it looks good. You have to make sure it does what it's supposed to. And that's when Apple will approve it. Last year, I remember when I posted my very first game on App Store, it took about 2 weeks for them to approve it. So they take their time, and it sometimes is a hit or a miss. Sometimes they'll approve it, sometimes they won't. But if you put an effort, not literally by actually programming, but if you use the AI the right way and you guide it to make it an actual app or an actual game, you will be able to post those games or apps on the App Store. So far it's doing pretty good. We have content view here. Then we have the app. Did I care if the password files includes the two tab view live password scoring, verification, access system for okay. So it says that it's done. So let's see if we can run it from here. This is something new. I have not seen this before. Huh. I don't think that did anything. Okay. So let's try and run it from here. Might have not opened it right. Okay, let's try and open it again. Open an existing project, new project 2, password strength checker, and then I think we have to select this file to open it. Yep, okay. That got it working. So now we go to content view. And then I'm gonna have it run on a virtual iOS iPhone, any iOS device. And let's do like iPhone 17 Pro. Okay, so now we're gonna compile and run the app. This is gonna run on a iPhone 17 Pro, a simulator version of iPhone 17 Pro. Pretty straightforward process, especially with Codex. It's just very simple. Okay, we have the simulator running here, and then the app. Okay, this is our app. It doesn't look bad. It looks pretty nice. Got tips, and then you can just put in a password in here. Testing now, it tells you this is not a strong password because I'm just using testing now. If I put some symbols in there, now it's good. And numbers. Now this checks all of the stuff on here. And that's our app. Very straightforward, very easy. And you can, from here on out, you can customize it. You can ask Codex to add more features, do more with the app, and it's just going to do it. It's that easy nowadays to just make apps. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a good day.